Hello everyone, in front of me is HONOR X6b and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. At first, open the settings, then find and select home screen and style. Now here locate select wallpaper and just pick the picture that you want to cover your screen with. You can choose one from your own photos, one from official wallpapers here, whatever you prefer, one from themes if you want. But let me choose, for example, this one. Now decide how you want to, okay, so you cannot customize it here. Yeah, you can. So you just have to open a wallpaper and then drag to move if you want. So pick the preferred option. Let me set it this way. And then mark confirmation mark. Tap on apply. And give it a couple of seconds. And that's it. Your wallpaper is set. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.